Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the new Wahala palette from Juvia's place. Before I get into today's video though, I was just reading the back of this palette and it does say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 colors that are not intended to be used around the immediate eye area, which is weird because it's an eyeshadow palette. But I noticed that the colors it listed are pinks and reds, and I had a client one time who said that she could not use like red and pinks on her eye because it like, I guess it burned her skin or something, like it irritated her skin. So take note of that. I just realized it said that, but however I did use the pink, which was one of the ones listed. The purple is fine, but the pink I did use on my eye. I always use pink on my eye, and then I don't have like any type of reaction to it. But I just wanted to point that out before I got into today's video. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this palette launched, I was not gonna get it because the colors didn't really grab my attention. If you are a returning viewer of mine, y'all know I like neon colors and I usually go for like really bright colors. I wasn't gonna get this one though because it doesn't have like the shade of yellow and orange that I usually prefer in my palettes, but I was like, I have so many yellows and oranges and whatever, so I just decided to go ahead and order it, especially because I just bought like a whole bulk of their palettes and I fell in love with them the first time I used them. So I decided to go ahead and get this one, and this is the look I'm going to show you guys how to achieve today using this palette. So if you guys want to see how it performs, then make sure you guys keep watching. I've already primed my lid. If you guys were wondering, I used the P. Louise base in a number 5. The first color that I'm going to dip into is Love, which is this blue over here. And I'm using the E17 from Morphe to apply it. That's about how much fallout I got. It's not a lot, but like I've said before in other videos, the palettes that have the most fallout seem to be the most pigmented. So yeah, fallout doesn't really bother me. I'm gonna take this deep purple, which is called BU, and I'm packing that right beside the blue. So y'all can see just from me patting the colors on my eye, they blended together already. I'm going to pick up 2 M506 brushes, also from Morphe. I'm going to dip into the exact same colors and just use these to blend. Yeah, it's about time for me to get some more brushes. I'm also picking up more color as needed, but I'm still using the M506 because the other brush was kind of big and I don't want to blend it up too far. So I always end up picking up a large brush. This a large blending brush. This has no product in it, but it always helps me like blend this little corner out. Okay guys, so now that those colors are blended, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in 0.5 and I'm going to do my halo. I always use an M213 to cut my crease. I feel like I said it in every video, but I mean, I never know who's watching and who, like, you know, who's new. By the way, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. So now that's done, I'm going back into the exact same colors again on the E17s, and I'm going to blend out each side. For the center of the eye, I'm taking the shade Stand Up. And then right on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of this Lumi Lights glitter from NYX. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to line my crease really quick with this liner, this neon eyeliner from Suva in the shade Scrunchy. Okay, I'm going to add some black liner to my waterline. I'm going to use a E36. I'm going to add some more of BU, but under that, I'm going to smoke out Busybody. Okay, I added some mascara. I'm going to add my bottom lash. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. My overall thoughts on the palette is that it's very pigmented, just like the rest of their palettes. It blends well, the shimmers show up really great. Even though I added glitter, you guys saw it before I put the glitter on, and it was still very pigmented. So this palette gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Like I said, it's very rare that I run into a palette that's not pigmented at all. You just really have to know what brushes to use and like what base to use. But yeah you guys, I love the palette, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are of course subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.